All right, just I guess because they got 1309 through the FRA inspection this weekend, I thought I would get out my 2662. I bought this as a bare brass model from Dan Adair and painted it and lettered it for the nickel plate 941. Just so hypothetically this could have interchanged with the Bessemer, even though I'm sure this engine never touched the Buffalo District. Anyway, let's get it out and take it for a little bit of a run here. I did leave the original open frame motor in the engine just because it seemed to run pretty good. It's a little noisy. And TCS wow sound with a dual high bass speaker. Getting the headlights in this one was real interesting. I actually had to drill some very tiny holes through the headlight casting and mount one of those really tiny surface mount LEDs. All right, here we go. Did find a few more of my buildings and get them out, like my coal and water tower here. Starting to lay out the transfer table there in the background. And I still got some bugs to work out of this locomotive, but I don't think it's doing too bad for its age. And I really haven't gotten to run it hardly at all yet. And this is the first time it's moved at all in at least 6 or 7 months. Point in case here, I think the wheels need cleaned pretty good. sure if we made the hook there or not. Doesn't look like it. Well, like I said, lots of work to do. Maybe I just didn't hit it hard enough. And another nose. I got roadbed laid around into Albion here, and right about here will be CE and the branch off to Girard, which will be lower level. And I'm thinking that that building there might become Allboro packaging, which I think was in Springboro, but I want to kind of cheat it to the south side of Albion, which I guess that really is Springboro, really. All right, so hats off to all the people that worked on the 1309. They did an absolutely beautiful job, and just always loved the looks of these engines. Just something kind of neat about them.